Find today the video topic is UX designer type. User experience UX designers specialize in creating meaningful and user-centric digital experience across the various platforms. Within the field of UX designer, there are different type of designers such as focusing on specific aspect of user experience. Here are some common types of UX designer. First, interactions designer. Interaction designer focus on designing the interaction designer behavior of digital product. They work on defining how user interact with interface, including user flow, navigations, and interactive elements such as buttons, menu, and forms. Interaction design often create wireframes, prototype, and interactive mock-up to communicate design concept and validate user interaction. 2. Visual designer. Visual designers are responsible for visual aesthetic of digital product, including layout, typography, color scheme, and graphical element. They ensure that design are visually appealing, consistent with brand guideline, and accessible to user. Visual designer create mock-up, style guide, and design asset to convey the visual language of a product. User interface UI designer. UI designer focus on designing the user interface of digital product, including graphical user interface, GUI, web interface, and mobile applications. They work on designing the layout, structure, and visual hierarchy of interface, as well as creating UI component and design patterns. UI designer collaborate closely with visual designer and developer to ensure that design are implemented accurately and effectively. First, for information architect. Information architect focus on organizing and structuring content digital within digital product to facilitate user navigation and perform informations retrieval. They create site maps, taxonomies, and navigation system to organize content logically and intuitively. Information architect also conduct user research and usability testing to validate information's architect decisions and improve the overall user experience. 5. User research. User research are responsible for understanding user need, behavior, and preference through qualitative and quantitative research methods. They conduct user interviews, surveys, usability tests, and analysis to gather insight and inform high design decisions. User research and collaborate with designer and stakeholder to ensure that design are user centered and meet the user requirement. Usability tester evaluate the usability and effectiveness of digital product through usability testing sessions with the real user. They observe user interactions, collect feedback, identify usability issue and area for improvement. Usability tester play a critical role in validating design decisions and ensuring that product meet user expectations and usability standards. UX strategists focus on defining the overall user experience, strategy, and vision for digital product or service. They conduct market research, computing, analyze, and user journey mapping to identify opportunity and define product goals and object. UX strategy collaborate with cross-functional teams to align business goals with user needs and create cohesive user experience strategy. These are just few examples of UX designer types, and many designers may specialize. And I have to say, thank you for watching this video.